You look fine. You are not. I'm going to say this directly. If you are smiling in pictures but breaking down in private, that is not strength. That is survival. There is a kind of depression that doesn't look like staying in bed. It looks like showing up, working, posting, laughing, holding conversations, taking care of other people, and then collapsing when no one is around. That kind is dangerous because nobody sees it. You convince yourself you're okay because you're still functioning. You tell yourself, I got through the day, but getting through the day is not the same thing as being well. And here's the confronting part. You are not supposed to carry that much by yourself. When you fake the smile long enough, it becomes automatic. People start calling you strong, resilient, dependable, and you start feeling trapped inside that identity because now you can't fall apart without disappointing someone. But pretending you're fine is not protecting people. It is isolating you. Depression that hides behind productivity is still depression. It still drains your body. It still rewires your thoughts. It still tells you you're alone even when you're not. And if you're watching this and thinking, that's me, I want you to hear this clearly. Being high functioning does not mean you don't need help. Being capable does not mean you're okay. Being strong does not mean you should suffer quietly. You do not get bonus points for enduring pain silently. And this is where I need to be firm. If your thoughts are getting darker, if you feel yourself slipping further, if the mask is getting heavier, this is not the time to double down on pretending. This is the time to reach out, not because you're weak, but because you deserve support. Talk to a therapist, call your doctor, tell one trusted person the truth. If you are in crisis, call your local crisis line or 988 in the United States. That line exists for moments exactly like this. You do not have to wait until you completely fall apart to qualify for help. Let me leave you with this. If the smile is exhausting you, it is not strength anymore. It is a signal, and signals are meant to be answered. If this spoke directly to you, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. We're continuing this conversation in part 2.